Tom can do that however he likes. Tom can do that however he likes. Tom can't do that as well as Mary. Tom can't do that as well as Mary. Tom doesn't ever do that anymore. Tom doesn't ever do that anymore. Tom has advised Mary to do that. Tom has advised Mary to do that. Tom has been refusing to do that. Tom has been refusing to do that. Tom has had no chance to do that. Tom has had no chance to do that. Tom has no idea how to do that. Tom has no idea how to do that. Tom has yet to agree to do that. Tom has yet to agree to do that. Tom hasn't asked Mary to do that. Tom hasn't asked Mary to do that. Tom is too afraid to do that now. Tom is too afraid to do that now. Tom is too angry to do that now. Tom is too angry to do that now. Tom is unlikely to agree to that. Tom is unlikely to agree to that. Tom is very sure he can do that. Tom is very sure he can do that. Tom might be motivated to do that. Tom might be motivated to do that. Tom must be desperate to do that. Tom must be desperate to do that. Tom said he isn't able to do that. Tom said he isn't able to do that. Tom said he told Mary to do that. Tom said he told Mary to do that. Tom said he'd do that for Mary. Tom said he'd do that for Mary. Tom said he'd likely not do that. Tom said he'd likely not do that. Tom said it's okay to do that now. Tom said it's okay to do that now. Tom said Mary would do that too. Tom said Mary would do that too. Tom says Mary is able to do that. Tom says Mary is able to do that. Tom seemed to do that just fine. Tom seemed to do that just fine. Tom told Mary John could do that. Tom told Mary John could do that. Tom told Mary to do that herself. Tom told Mary to do that herself. Tom told me he plans to do that. Tom told me he plans to do that. Tom wanted to do that very badly. Tom wanted to do that very badly. Tom was very hesitant to do that. Tom was very hesitant to do that. Tom will allow Mary to do that. Tom will allow Mary to do that. Tom will be ready to do that soon. Tom will be ready to do that soon. Tom won't permit Mary to do that. Tom won't permit Mary to do that. Why do you always do that to Tom? Why do you always do that to Tom? Why does Tom need to do that now? Why does Tom need to do that now? You do that a lot better than Tom. You do that a lot better than Tom. You may as well have Tom do that. You may as well have Tom do that. You'll ask Tom to do that, won't you? You'll ask Tom to do that, won't you? I asked Tom to do that with Mary. I asked Tom to do that with Mary. I asked Tom why I had to do that. I asked Tom why I had to do that. I do that the same way Tom does. I do that the same way Tom does. I hope that Tom will do that too. I hope that Tom will do that too. I know that Tom will want to do that. I know that Tom will want to do that. I know why Tom agreed to do that. I know why Tom agreed to do that. I persuaded Tom to do that again. I persuaded Tom to do that again. I sure hope Tom doesn't do that. I sure hope Tom doesn't do that. I think Tom has to do that again. I think Tom has to do that again. I told Tom to do that right away. I told Tom to do that right away. I told Tom to do that with Mary. I told Tom to do that with Mary. I want to see Tom try to do that. I want to see Tom try to do that. I'm positive Tom didn't do that. I'm positive Tom didn't do that. Perhaps Tom has to do that too. Perhaps Tom has to do that too.